Bitcoin keeps dropping and dropping. We are all fucked. Sell everything you got quick. The drop we just had was 6%. Just to compare, the drop we had with the corona panic was 44% in one day, which makes this little dribble we just had nothing in the grand scheme of things. Let's take it to weekly candles and zoom out even further. So keep watching to find out why I think Bitcoin is going to six figures in the next couple of years. This video is my personal opinion only. This video is not investment advice. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always do your own research. This chart shows us the Bitcoin price since 2011 all the way up to today. These orange lines are Bitcoin halvings which happened in November 2012, July of 2016 and May 2020. The halving means that the mining reward is cut in half. It's now twice as expensive to mine one Bitcoin. 50% less Bitcoin is created through mining. This happens approximately every 4 years. Let's go see what happened with the previous halvings. So back in 2012, Bitcoin was trading at around 14 bucks. And a couple of months after the halving, it went on to pump to a new all-time high, all the way at 240. Then it had an 80% crash the same week, and then it pumped all the way to the top of the market cycle at 1200. So after the first halving in 2012, Bitcoin went on a bull run of 8700%. This is where I bought my first Bitcoin. So basically I was the sucker that bought the top of this cycle. And it took over 3 years for the price to get back to the same area. Now let's see what happened after the second halving in 2016. A quick 30% drop after the halving and pumps to 20k. That's over 40x in the next 1.5 years. And what's interesting is that at the previous halving, Bitcoin was trading around 40 to 50% below the all-time high. And during the halving we just had in May this year, we were trading at around the same area below all-time high. There's a million ways to analyze this chart with tons of indicators you can use. Moving averages, exponential moving averages, EMA ribbons, but I will make it really simple for this video. So what are those green lines on this chart? They are lines of support and resistance dating back to 2017 and all the way back to 2013. Let's go zoom in and see how those lines have affected the price action. In 2013, after Bitcoin went on a parabolic bull run to the all-time high, it got rejected here, consolidated a bit, pumped to a new all-time high, found support initially but capitulated soon. Managed to climb up again after the halving, found support and went to the next all-time high at 20,000, where the new line comes in. Bitcoin began its bear market, fell through the bottom green line, jumped over it again, got rejected at the top line, and as you notice, Bitcoin is starting to get squeezed between those two lines. It found support in the bottom line again, got rejected at the top. Then we had the corona panic and Bitcoin managed to quickly climb back above the bottom line and got squeezed in really tight, forming a massive 3-year bullish pennant. What is a bullish pennant? They are continuation patterns that occur in strong uptrends. The pennant is formed from an upward flagpole, a consolidation period, and then the continuation of an uptrend after a breakout. And to me, it looks like Bitcoin has broken out of this bullish pennant, has found support on the lower line, and might be at the start of the next parabolic bull run, just like we had in 2016, which after the halving Bitcoin pumped over 3000%, and back in 2012 when after the halving Bitcoin pumped over 7000%. So how high can Bitcoin go this time? Well, if it's similar to the last bull market when it pumped from the bottom of 150 all the way up to 20,000, growing 125x, then in the next couple of years we can be in for a ride all the way up to 400k. And I'm not saying that Bitcoin is going to pump straight to 400k. Bitcoin can definitely drop before testing new highs. What if there's another corona crash? It might go all the way back down here again before launching up all the way to the moon. So never invest more than you can afford to lose. Only use money you don't need to use anytime soon. Always do your own research. But who's gonna buy BTC up to 6 figures? Let's see who's buying now. Nasdaq listed MicroStrategy raises Bitcoin holdings to 425 million after second purchase. They have almost 40,000 Bitcoin, worth over 400 million. Cash App and Grayscale consumed over 50% of Bitcoin mined in Q1 this year. And that's just 3 companies. I believe that institutions buying Bitcoin will be the main power driving Bitcoin's price up now that we are past halving. What do you think? What will be the new all-time high for Bitcoin in this cycle? Will it reach 400k? Definitely comment below, let us know what you think. If you liked my first YouTube video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more awesome crypto videos, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next video.